Hey team, it's Ken. I just wanted to send this out. I found a tracking application for emails that actually works with Gsuite. So I'm going to send each of you a link to your emails and I want you to follow it. So like when you do click on it, it's going to bring you up to this page. You're going to want to install, pick which one you want. Of course, you want your Encompass SEO plan. I already installed it just to play around with it, but follow the link. Make sure you're choosing that Encompass SEO website email. Okay, it's going to walk you through. Once you are done, you should have a label here showing you that it is actually installed. So once you actually send an email out, here, let me get here. We email. As you can see, you're going to have this until we start paying for it. The pro version of it, but like I'm gonna send it to myself, right? Let's see if this works. If I could type, then we send. As you can see, there's our mark tracker. So I sent it. Now I am going to jump over to my other email. And when you're doing this, make sure you check your spam folder, okay? Because with these being newer emails and not warmed up yet, they're going to be in your spam folder most likely. See, as you can see, there it is. So I'm going to report this as not spam, go back up to my primary inbox, and as you can see, it's here. So I'm going to click here. And as you can see, that this second check mark just showed up. So that means it's going to send a note, because what this actually is a pixel, kind of like the Google Pixel, back to my other email, okay? Now to verify that it was sent, you come here, and as you can see, it hasn't registered on this side yet, so if you refresh, you can see it both checks. The first check means that it was sent and they've received it. The second one will show up once your recipient opens the email, okay? If you guys need any help, let me know. I can help and walk you guys through. Just call me. You know my number, 334-405-5177. Thanks, guys.